Alright, you guys, here we go. What's up, guys? So I'm just now getting checked in here at Thermal Raceway. It's pretty official. It's pretty locked down. It's like getting to Saudi Arabia or something. It's nuts. Extremely privileged to be cruising up here. Yes, my brakes do squeak, by the way. So, Stradman, you have squeaky doors. I got squeaky brakes, man. I don't know what I can do. I have the carbon ceramic brakes, but they squeak. We try to fix it too, but they still squeak. So, keep you updated on that too, you guys. But check it out. Some races here today. I have been here to Thermal before, and today there are some races. There's the SRO races are today, and we're gonna get in between the races. We have 30-minute lapping sessions, so I really look forward to doing that. I think there shouldn't be too many McLarens on the track, but I know a few of the club members are coming. My buddy MJ's coming in his newly acquired orange 12C, so it's gonna be fun. You know, it's gonna be a super fun day, guys, and I look forward to kind of bringing you guys some exclusive access. So wow, so check it out. There's a race car right there. These are real deal race cars that are going to be racing today. McLaren 12C right over there. These are some of the club members. We got a white McLaren 12C right there. We have a blue 570S right over there. Hey, where do I park? How you doing, brother? Good seeing you.
Outside, pull right there.
All right. Whoa, guys, check it out. Look at all the race cars ready to rock. Whoa, it's so sick. Got a couple BMW M series over there. Oh, this is gonna be a sick race day, guys. There's some houses and things over there. People do live here at Thermal. I don't know if they live here year round. They just have these houses here as options for them. And they stay here and they rip right on the track with their race cars. It's a pretty sweet deal. Today's gonna be pretty damn awesome. Catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so some of the guys are here already. Some of the McLaren dudes that we're going to be riding with. This is a spec'd out 12 seats. Pretty cool. I like the Le Mans fenders like MJ has on his gray one. Pretty sweet. Ready to rock. Got the red interior, which is pretty cool. Okay, guys, so if you could hear that in the background, it's an Audi R8 V10 race car. Here we have the Pirelli guys all ready to go. We got all these race tires. Look at that Audi race car, dude. That thing is absolutely insane. These guys are all preparing for some serious racing today. Got some BMW teams right over there. Guys, today's gonna be insane. This is definitely some footage that I didn't even think that I was gonna be able to get. This is just really, really, really cool. Super, super privileged and thankful to be able to have gotten invited here today. This is insane. I'm just gonna kind of see how far I can walk around without getting in too much trouble. I'm sure some of these race teams don't want me filming, so I don't want to get too close. Whoa, GMG came to play. I have some of the guys right here. I'm not sure where Bill went in his blue 570, but we got my 12C right there. We got a white 12C tuned right over there. We got another stock McLaren orange 12C that my buddy just got. Looking good, man. This is cool. Here's my car. Looks like I caught a bug on the drive. I'm gonna catch a lot more bugs probably today, but here is the 12C taking it on the track here at Thermal today, and I look forward to it. It's gonna be super fun. Guys, check it out. So we just had breakfast right over here. A lot of the guys have already cleared out, but I wanted to show you this because it's just insane to me. Like, to normal guys like me and you, this is insane. Yeah, that was a Lamborghini Trofeo racing around the track. So you can eat breakfast, hang out, chill, and literally there's a racetrack right here. And like I was saying earlier, those are houses. So people do live here, people do own homes here, and right below their houses are garages, so they can literally just take out their cars and start ripping. Let's see what's gonna pass by here. I think we got a Porsche coming through. Look at that Lamborghini Trofeo race car just ripping around over there. Here we go, BMW. We got a Ferrari 488 chasing it. So sick. This is so sick. I'm gonna go let this food digest, and then we're gonna watch some races, and then we're gonna get out there ourselves.
track day groups within our racing programs, but kind of the unique nature of what we're doing here with our Winter Invitational was, first we wanted to integrate people into like the SRO world and racing. So guys that were thermal members out here that were thinking about going racing with us in the near future, giving them a little bit of a taste of what we do. So we put this whole weekend program together.
GT2 RS Club Sport, beautiful car. Get my camera all mounted up. I'm gonna do a front facing angle for the first session, and then we'll switch it up from there. I'll do a couple angles that are maybe pointed at me, and we'll see how it goes. Damn, look at the GT500. I'm not a Ford guy, guys, but if I did get a Ford, it'd be the new GT. Here are the McLarens. Got our McLaren section looking good. My car, gonna get the GoPro mounted up. We'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Here we are in the pit lane. Changed my powertrain to track, so I'm gonna go handling is on sport, so I still got a little bit of the traction control off until I learn the track. But powertrain, we turned into track mode. Oil is up to temp, water is up to temp. I'm just waiting for the checkered flag green light. Guys, I'd be lying to you if I said I wasn't nervous right now. My adrenaline is spiked through the roof. I'm ready to rock.